Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of agriculture and farming. In today's video, we are going to learn and know about Integrated Pest Management or IPM, which is a sustainable approach to managing pests that minimizes the use of chemical pesticides. IPM is an effective way to protect crops from the pest while minimizing the impact on the environment and human health. Integrated pest management. It is a holistic approach to pest management that involves a combination of techniques to control pests, including biological, cultural, and chemical methods. The goal of IPM is to prevent or manage the pest problems in the most effective and least harmful way possible. One of the key principles of IPM is to monitor pests and their populations. By regularly monitoring pests, farmers can detect pest problems early on and take action before they become too severe. This can include using traps, visual surveys, and other monitoring techniques to identify the pest species and track their populations over time. And another important principle of IPM is to use a variety of pest management techniques. This can include using a natural predators such as ladybugs to control insect pests or using a crop rotation and other cultural practices to prevent pest infestations. Chemical pesticides are only used as a last resort and only when other methods have proven ineffective. In addition to pest control, IPM also involves preventative measures to reduce the risk of pest infestations in the first place. This can include selecting pest-resistant crops, using a clean planting material, and maintaining the healthy soil. Conclusion: Integrated pest management is a sustainable approach to the pest control that minimizes the use of chemical pesticides by using a combination of techniques to control pests and prevent infestations. IPM is an effective way to protect crops while minimizing the impact on the environment and human health. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the more interesting videos on agriculture sector. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.